Welcome to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into how to process Geotag PPK data. Let's get started. Before proceeding with the geotagging process, ensure that the following three essential data components are ready: rover recording data in SD card of PPK module. The rover typically provides a UBX file and a TIM2 file. Base recording data from your DGNSS base. The base supplies JSON file and NAV file and OBS files. Image from PPK. In the post-processing stage, an OBS file is required. Since the rover data provides a UBX file, it must be converted to an OBS file using a converter. To convert, follow these steps. Open the Surveyaan PPK tool in your workspace. Select the UBX file from the rover data. Click on Process to convert the UBX file into NAV and OBS files. This step involves generating the POS file and POS event file, which are essential for geotagging. To perform this post-processing step, select the rover OBS file generated from step 1 and enter it into the rover file field. Select the base OBS file and enter it into the base file field. Select the rover nav file and enter it into the navigation file field. Also on the right panel, select the base JSON file to get precise latitude and longitude. If you have the base JSON file, pick it. If base JSON file is not present, you can enter the details manually. Note: ensure that the configuration settings on the right panel are appropriately selected. For improved accuracy, adjust parameters such as the elevation mask and satellite system if the accuracy is incorrect. While generating the POS file and POS event file, make sure that the points get fixed. From this dialog box, we can see how much points are getting fixed and float. To complete the geotagging process, enter the POS file and POS event file in their respective fields. You can see the fixed point percentage here. It should always be 99% and above. If not, tweak the settings until 99% or more is achieved. Now select the image folder and enter it into the designated form. Enter the first image and last image in their respective fields. Also pick the camera CSV file and upload it in the selected log field. Click Unprocess to generate the PPK geotagging. Now you will see a new folder with the tagged photos. To check the accuracy of your geotagged image, upload the image and click Next to get your geolocation. Following these steps ensures accurate geotagging in the Surveyaan tool. Thank you for watching.